Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice Argon blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.7-liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, Black Appearance Package, and the XLT Premium Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, side bed steps with mud flaps on the rear and front. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle with a tailgate step and a bed camera. Ripped running boards on either side. Fully powered trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera. And moving to the front real quick, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with an upgraded B&O sound system. We got power folding mirrors with powered windows, mirrors, locks. There's that power folding mirror. Pretty nice. And of course we do get your lights, lift, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8.6 kilometers. Got this nice Von Rapp steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Got a digital speedometer right there with my view. Trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage with outlets here. We got 2 cup holders or more if need be. We do get plenty of storage down there with a nice little light so you can see what you're doing. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, climate controls with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash, with 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please, your engine brake, hill assist, hazard traction, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go through different camera angles, and we do get that lovely bed angle as well. We're going to go back real quick where we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE00961, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.